If you're looking for quick and easy DIY shelf brackets, you've come to the right place. Instead of purchasing either costly sturdy or cheap flimsy shelf brackets, I decided to make my own out of scrap pieces from my solid oak hardwood flooring project. But you can make these out of any piece of wood or plywood which is 3/4 inch thick or thicker. I first cut off any tong and groove edges from all sides of the triangle pieces. These were scrap pieces from some triangular stair landings I recently installed. The next step was to sand the edges with 80 grit sandpaper to remove sharp corners and splinters. The next step was to drill 2 deep holes in the diagonal side of each triangle. But first I drilled shallow dents in the diagonal side in order to prevent my drill bit from sliding down the 45-degree angle for the deep hole at a 90-degree angle to the wall side of the bracket. First I used a thick drill bit slightly wider than the head of the screws I was gonna use to attach the brackets to the wall. I stopped the drill at around 1/2 inch from the wall edge of the bracket. You can use tape around the drill bit to ensure you don't go too deep or drill a through hole by accident. This wider hole will fit the head of the screw. The next step is to drill a through hole or a thin pilot hole, the diameter of the screw shaft or body. This way, as you're sinking the screw into the hole, it will stop once its head sinks into the end of the wider hole you drilled at about 1/2 inch away from the wall side of the bracket. It's best to use funnel head screws to attach these shelf brackets to the wall, since the funnel will sink into the wood and draw the bracket towards the wall nice and flush with the wall. Your holes do not need to be perfectly perpendicular to the wall, and even if your screws go into the stud or wall anchor at a slight angle, the straight side of the bracket will align the bracket flush with the wall. The next step is to mark the wall with plus signs with which you will align the top of each bracket. It's best to screw directly into studs, or you could use good quality wall anchors if studs are not where you want them to be. I used my handy stud finder to locate the center of each stud behind the drywall to center the top of each bracket with my mark. I use my laser level to ensure both brackets for each shelf are horizontally level with each other, as well as vertically level with the brackets of the shelves above and below. did not have much time for this quick little shelving project and didn't want to bother with wall anchors, so I simply screwed some of the brackets right through their sides into the corner wall, as there usually is a stud right in the corner. I repurposed some particle board material from old furniture to make these shelves. I used my 18-gauge brad nailer to keep the shelves in place on the brackets using 2-inch brad nails. I added a couple of screws right through the top of each shelf and sank the screws into the brackets underneath. I covered the sunken screw holes with stickers designed to match the color of the shelves. These will be linked below. In the description below, I'm sharing details of the materials and tools I used for these quick shelves. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for more handy tutorials and home upgrade DIY projects. Have a good one!